One rainy morning, little Kitten looked out the cottage window and saw a tiny duck sitting alone in a puddle, crying softly. The duck's favorite umbrella had blown away in the storm. Kitten didn't think twice. She put on her little raincoat and went outside into the rain to help. Together they searched the garden, behind the rose bushes, past the old oak tree until finally Kitten spotted the umbrella stuck high in a branch. Kitten climbed carefully and brought it down, shaking the raindrops off. Duck's eyes filled with happy tears. She had never had a friend like this before. Kitten and Duck walked home together under the umbrella, splashing through puddles and laughing in the rain. Mama Cat was waiting with warm soup and a cozy blanket for both of them. That rainy day became their favorite memory because it was a day they became best friends forever.